Hello.
Hello, this is Claudia. I'm Tenzin's caretaker. We were making sure you were coming today.
Oh yes, I was just getting ready to head out.
Wonderful. We will see you then.
Criminals! You pigs are enemy of the state. You are an enemy of the people of the motherland.
My country is Tibet! My leader is Tenzin Gyatso!
You must be Tempa. Very nice to meet you. I'm Claudia, remember? Tenzin's caretaker? So it must be very hard for you.
What? I'm sorry?
I know who you are, Tenpala. I know what you and your friends have been through. And I also know that you haven't seen Tenzin in 6 years. See? I'm one of you. Would you like to go inside?
How long do you think he has?
It's hard to tell. I'm glad you could come, Tenpala. This will mean a lot to him.
Thank you. Let's go.
Tenzin, look who's here.
다시 되는
Hello, Tenzila. It has been a long time.
you look good. How have you been?
Okay.
Do you still have nightmares?
Yes, every day.
You know how long I have been on this bed? 3 months. A question has been troubling my mind for a long time.
Tell me, Tenzin.
The moment you walked in, my question was answered.
What are you trying to say, Tenzin?
I'm saying Lawson's story needs to be told. You still have some life left in you. Use it to tell the world who loves us.
I'm so sorry. I should have been in touch.
Don't blame yourself. Cherish what you have. Never forget who you are. Tibet is proud of you. I am proud of you.
Jawa Tenzin Gyatso.
Jawa Tenzin Gyatso. Do you still remember our song?
Yeah, I sing it every day.
Can you sing that for me?
Dawa, dawa, chiti me wani kale kale sha. Sopemi mimbe duase Nima Nima Chipotana
Enough!
What did you just say?
I say, let him go. Let him go. I will say whatever you want me to say. Just let him go. Let him go.
Thank you.